Please double check you do have all personal belongings with you. And please mind the step out from the train onto the platform H. If there are any passengers on board that need Manchester Metro Link services, please change here. Make your way across the footbridge to Deansgate Castle Metro stop. And also please retain all tickets and passes as you will need these to exit the station. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Deansgate.
Is that Manchester Piccadilly? No.
This is Deansgate.
Oh, the next one, right?
Yeah, I think it's the next one.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm planning to meet some friend there tonight at 5:30, my friend. And yeah, how are you all doing today? I hope you're doing great and have a good day. I'm just getting so excited every day here in my adventure first trip to come over to UK. Sending all my love from the train right now. I guess I'm gonna be at the next station. Hopefully I didn't get off the wrong station again. So I'm just asking the lady who was sitting next to me, so she's telling me probably the next one. Well, Jack is on adventure right here in UK right now. Just love it so much. Very comfortable train as well from Liverpool. And thank you to my friend Haley's in Liverpool that she really is really helpful to book me the train ticket to come on over to Manchester. I'm here for 2 nights, so I'm here for tonight and tomorrow night, and then I will go back to Wales.
Whilst at the station, please take extra care. If you use anything suspicious or strange or have any inquiries at all, please don't hesitate to reach to any staff. And once again, if you are leaving the station here, please have your tickets and passes available.
Hey, Tom, how are you, mate? So tonight from 5:30, I will meet my friend Phil and meet his family, and we're going to go out for dinner together. And I don't know what's the plan after. He might show me around a bit. Are you around in town tonight? You're gonna be so excited to see everyone here. I'm just getting so excited to come here. And yeah, I think this is not mine where I'm gonna get off Manchester Oxford Road, so probably the next one. Thank you, Phil. Thank you. So yeah, I'm just checking out with the friends on the train to make sure I didn't get off the wrong station again. If I get off the wrong station again, it's gonna be absolutely Asian experience and English experience for me. Yeah, it's gonna be so lovely to see you all in Manchester, because I'm here only for 2 nights, and then I'm gonna go to back to Wales before I'm gonna go to see Belfast. It's gonna be so lovely, my friend. Very lovely to hear from you. And yeah, so I'm always like to share what I'm doing, where I'm going, and how much I'm enjoy my first trip over to come to UK as well. Having had a great time here, my friend, and thank you so much for a very warm welcome and having me in your beautiful country. Oh. Yeah, I'm on my way to Manchester right now. I'm looking forward to see everyone out there very soon. Just so excited to enjoy my every single day experience here in UK. It's just so lovely to see everything out here. So beautiful.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The next station stop is Manchester Piccadilly. If you are leaving the train here, please mind the gap between the train and the platform. To exit the station, please have all your personal items with you and the ticket for inspection. The next station stop is Manchester Piccadilly.
I'm seeing I'm arriving to Manchester Piccadilly station. I'm gonna get off right now. Thank you. Love you. Bye.